Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this video here has no audio because I forgot to put the microphone in. So yeah, my face is there. So I'm just explaining what it looks like. It has mirrors, it has windows, all that. Yeah, enjoy the video.
Underneath the yellow light, thoughts racing, trying to hit a lick right now. So you know I can't come outside. I can see the world from
Excited, Lola? Yeah?
Okay, now to get some supplies.
She's loving it. She went in the cage before. So I want to get rid of the mirrors. So there's mirrors on the inside here and up the back. Just because that'll like give her hormonal aggression and all that, and we don't want her to be all angry. So I'm going to try and do that now. Okay, so far we have this. It's looking very nice. We've put the mesh in. Opens up. And then this comes down, the mirror's out now. It's looking a bit dirty, but... And the shelf that was up the top is now underneath. And the cage is finished. So I know there's not a lot of toys at the moment, but I've just ordered some online, so I'll put up a little photo of the list of all the toys I bought. I bought foraging toys, shredding toys, all that. So she's gonna love it. This goes down, it's actually quite dirty. But she'll, yeah. Yeah. Lola. And also, while we're out in the bush getting that branch for the cage, we got these two thick ones, and it's her little play gym. So she eats some food there, she stays there, she goes to the toilet in the morning there, and then there's also a little fountain that she drinks water and bathes in. She loves it. And we've also got little play gyms all around the house that she can just stand on and sit on. There's the one over there, the bird cage. This is what she does while I'm editing. She just sits on the window. Also, that's not blood on her mouth, it's literally strawberry.